Basic 5, 6, 7, in. 1, 2, 3, 5, pate bourrée. Back on 1, back on 2, forward on 3. Switch around, back on 5, back on 6, forward on 7. Rond de jambe around the world. 1, 2, 3, you stick out. And 5, 6, 7, lift up, turn out with the right. Feet together, shoot the foot out, feet together, original position. Turn out 45 degrees and keep this bend. Repeat, 5, 6, 7. Then we have Pachanga basic. You can check right here for the Pachanga basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back into your basic. Let's go to music.